If you look closely, my left eye is slowly becoming smaller than my right eye. I'm gonna smile for you.
Okay.
Everyone's so politically correct all the time and seldom mean any of the things that they say.
नकली झूठ बोल रहे हैं
Yeah,
सब
I
झूठ
was
बोल
like,
रहे
I
हैं.
know that's not what you think.
This is not the only remake, right? There's a Tamil remake, then there's Odia, Telugu and Kannada remake as well. So this
Oh,
film,
of
yeah.
I didn't know that. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna throw up.
I have stepped out of my house to meet you. I don't do press interviews, but I wanted to talk to you.
I
Hi.
feel so special. Hi.
Hello.
I'm excited.
I know, and I'm also really excited because Janvi follows me on Instagram, guys. And
I really enjoy your 1-minute reviews.
and
I
not
really
from
do.
her Finsta, from like her real Instagram.
Finsta also.
There you go.
I just changed my Finsta name and I will not leak it this time.
You have to change it because you told the whole world what your Finsta name was. Are you tired?
Yeah.
You're exhausted.
I'm very tired. If you look closely, my left eye is slowly becoming smaller than my right eye. I'm gonna smile for you.
Okay. I don't know if it's slowly becoming smaller, but it's slowly flickering like that.
Yeah, because like my whole body's glitching.
So you have flown in last night from some shoot or event?
No
or...
promotions in Delhi.
Okay. And then today you've done what? Cricket coaching?
I've done strength and conditioning training in the morning. I do cricket at the end of the day. Then I have a narration. Then I have to go for a screening.
So after all of this, you have to go for a screening.
After all of this, I go for cricket training, narration, and then screening. I'm having so much fun.
It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a bunch. But you know what people have been saying about your Janvi is that you've gotten very good at giving interviews now. Like
I speak shit.
no, but like
So
there's
much
this
shit.
openness.
Where is Priyanka? Her go-to action in life is now this. Like, shut up. Like behind the camera, she's like, stop. This is too much.
But no, like it's about like you've become a little more besharam, I think, when giving your answers. Like you're not that scared about what anybody is making of you anymore. I
Yeah.
think, which is cool.
Just feel like everyone's so politically correct all the time and seldom mean any of the things that they say.
नकली झूठ बोल रहे हैं
Yeah,
सब
I
झूठ
was
बोल
like,
रहे
I
हैं.
know that's not what you think, and whatever. And people are gonna hate on you anyway, so
Yeah.
you might as well be hated for something that you actually believe in, as opposed to being a phony and being hated anyway.
I love it. This is why I stepped out of my house to meet Janvi today, you guys.
Welcome to Doon's Kitchen. Can I take your order, please?
So listen, this is your now 5th feature.
Yes.
And one short in the middle, and
Yes.
5th feature. Is there a period of time after a film is done, it's over, it's done what it had to do, then you go back and revisit it and then kind of look at what you did and perhaps discuss with time नहीं मिलता?
No, time mile bhi to like I don't like.
Rewatching your own stuff? Why? It's too what? Embarrassing?
It's too like I don't know if I can enjoy the film objectively. I think I nitpick myself too much, and like I think it would drive me crazy.
So there's not even like 2 महीने के बाद या 3 महीने के बाद चल अभी जेरी देख लें किसी Sunday को when you're sitting and you're free and like maybe discuss what you
It was
could
a
have
miracle
done
that I
better.
even sat through the Jerry's screening.
Why?
I think I've seen after Dhadak. Dhadak, the first time I saw was at the screening with like all of these veterans, and I was like, this is not a good way to view yourself the first time. The pressure is too much.
Yeah.
But you know, as an actor, most other things you see during like dubbing, and I've been
Yeah.
very close, fortunately, to my directors and producers. So I see like the rough cut, the first cut.
Yeah.
Where I get a gist of it, where we discuss what we should and shouldn't do, what we should cut, add, etc., etc. And then I find it, I think I'm too paranoid about becoming self-aware. I think in that first cut, I can understand that these are the things that definitely need work. These are the things that I have going. These things are getting repetitive. I need to like change it up. And then like that's my purpose of watching my film. I'm not gonna like sit and be like, wow, what an actor. Like that's not my
No,
agenda.
but like sit and watch and be like, all right, perhaps I could have done this
But I
emotion
can,
like so.
Yeah, but in the first cut, I can gauge my performance.
Yeah.
After that, if I watch it, it'll be to enjoy the film, which
Yeah.
I will be unable to do either way.
Yeah.
And then I'll just become too aware.
Yeah.
So I'd rather not.
And do you have people in your life who are allowed to give you like full opinion or like honestly what they thought of the
Oh,
film?
everyone. I think
Really?
that's a mandate. If
Dad,
you are
sister,
in my
cousins.
life, in any capacity, like you need to be real with me. Like I think people that sometimes are too nice to me throw me off.
Yes,
Yeah.
because one would imagine a movie star is surrounded by people who are
Yeah,
always like,
no. And I've seen it happen with people,
Yeah.
especially in this profession. How easy it is to
Lose your way.
yeah, and become delusional. So I'd rather be underconfident than be like away from reality.
then be like a terrible person who has no idea what actually is going on outside
Yeah,
of their
and-
immediate circle.
Yeah, and like you might be happy also when you're leading your life like that,
Yeah.
but I think my growth as an artist is too important for me, and
Yeah.
I think that gets in the way too much.
Do you watch or read reviews? Do you take anything back from that?
Yes, I've been told since Jerry that I must and have to repost reviews because otherwise no one will know that you did a good job. And
Hilarious.
you need to own it.
Hilarious.
And I didn't do any of that for Gunjan
Yeah.
or Ghost Story.
Which was probably your best reviewed film, Gunjan.
Yes.
And you didn't.
No, I was
Jan-
very
I don't
shy.
care. You were shy.
I was so shy, and I think I was very convinced still that I sucked. But anyway,
A little bit of nervousness is always a good thing.
yeah, I
You
think
can't get
so.
cocky.
I think so. But I think that, I mean, I think I'm trying to strike a balance between being in a world where everyone's yelling on like a, what is it called, on a speakerphone.
Sure, sure.
And if you're the only one who's like mum about it, then maybe that isn't the brightest thing. But you can't also sell your soul if it's against the principles of who you are as a person.
But do you like actively look for reviews from like maybe not everyone, because like I know like your brother Arjun is really like clued in to like
Yeah.
the, you know, who are the film critics that he's reading and who are the film critics that he's consuming, and he has a relationship with a lot of film critics as well. Like he reaches
Yeah.
out and he you know, wants to discuss
Yeah.
stuff as well. So do you seek out film reviews?
I think some film reviews.
Yeah.
I think that now with Jerry, I think I learned how to gauge what the general sentiment is. And more than that, I think when you have the ability to be objective about your work and your film, then you'll know what reviews are made or written with what agenda.
पापा सिगरेट पी रहे आप अंदर
नहीं तो
मिटा दिया सबूत
सबूत कौन सा सबूत
Are you now only doing films that you have titular characters in? There's Gunjan, there's been Ruhi, Jerry, Millie, Mahi is coming up, Mrs. Mahi. One can argue in ghost stories you end up becoming the ghost in the end. We don't know what that open ending was
I
like.
don't know either.
So like regardless of which family you're born into, not every actor's daughter gets to do titular roles in like 5 or like 6 things back to back. So are you actually seeking out lead roles, or is just this like back to back releases aise hi ho gaye hain?
I think it's coincidental.
Yeah.
I think after Gunjan, the films that I gravitated towards me were films where
Titular
I was
roles.
were
Yeah.
titular roles.
Yeah.
But Bawal and Mahi, I'm with Varun and I'm with Raj, and
Are you the Bawal in Bawal? No.
I mean I'd like to think so.
You'll find out.
But no, I actually, I don't know, it means too much to me to push myself as an actor, and these films and these characters offered that scope, so why would I say no?
No, there's absolutely no reason
Yeah.
for you to say like नहीं ये title role है, ये मैं नहीं करूँगी, किसी और
नहीं,
को दे
लेकिन
दो.
लोगों ने कहा है ये कि प्रेशर बहुत ज्यादा है, तू बहुत
मत लो.
इंडी, हाँ तू बहुत इंडी हो जाएगी, थोड़ा कमर्शियल कर ले, ये
Yeah.
कर ले, this is too like it's a. I was convinced against doing all of these films.
Yeah.
But I don't know, I'm here to be an actor,
Yeah.
right? And these films offer maximum scope to act.
I mean, look
so
at your feet. There's like 5 of you on one poster.
I love that. I love me.
You know, all the films जिनके नाम अभी हमने गिनाए, they're all like movies like questioning patriarchy or the role of patriarchy, even like in a film like Ruhi, right, which is like a horror comedy, but at the end of the day, it is about what women are supposed to do in relationships and you know how
Yeah.
that's, you know, whatever, like
Leading a man.
and also like, you know, practices like abduction, all that stuff as well. Is that conscious that you're picking up films that are speaking to you on like a feminist level?
Maybe subconsciously,
Yeah.
but also I think I would be very strongly opposed to doing films or a character that would have something that contradicted that sentiment. Like I don't know how comfortable I would be essaying a character or being a part of a film where a female's role in society is diluted.
Yeah, and condoned, like ऐसे ही होना चाहिए.
Yeah, I think that's against the grain of who I am as a person.
Yeah.
So it's not like नहीं मैं ऐसे ही कुछ करूँगी. I think it's more like मैं वैसे कुछ नहीं करूँगी.
Yeah.
And I think my favorite part about Ruhi was the climax of it and
Yeah.
what it was trying to say, and
Yeah.
and Yeah, I don't know.
I love it. 2020 August, according to news reports, is when your father purchased the rights to make Millie. So I'm assuming this was going on for a couple of months before that, and then
Yeah.
finally, so this was like pandemic has just begun at this point.
Yes.
We don't know where any of this is going. We
Yes.
don't know where the industry is going. We don't know if anyone of us after this is over will be relevant anymore.
Yeah.
Like no clue. So what's going on in your head and Boni Kapoor's head when this film you decide to get and make into Hindi?
Can I tell you honestly, there was a attitude in the industry when the pandemic just hit कि ये तो 2 महीने का ये तो ठीक हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
And that was the mind space when we decided to do this film. But more than that, this is a very pandemic friendly film to shoot.
'Cause it's a
It's
closed
just me in a
location.
freezer,
Yeah.
essentially. So I
Love.
was like, this is great.
Yeah.
I really felt, regardless of whether the future of this film would be on a digital platform or in a theater, I don't think there was any debate about our intention to making a new experience for audiences. Even though it's a remake, I think it's an immersive experience and giving her everything to making a good film. So I think that intention gave us the security to go ahead and make it because I knew that we want project making.
But like Mathukutty Xavier, who's made this film, he's only made one film before this, which is this film, which is Helen. So are there any reservations there? And also because this is not the only remake, right? There's a Tamil remake, then there's Odia, Telugu and Kannada remake as well. So this film,
of
yeah, at least according to the movie's like online presence, that there's going to be 3 more remakes in 3 different languages.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, turns out. So there's going to be like five of these movies. I don't know when, but that's what it says. You had some reservations about making a remake, right?
I did. I was like, I don't know if, because Jerry was already happening at
That's
that
right.
point.
Yeah.
But when I saw how personally Papa resonated with the father-daughter aspect of this film, I was like, oh, that's like really sweet.
Yeah.
And also I met Mathu sir.
Yeah.
And I can't tell you, he is such a bright, talented man.
Yeah.
And so passionate about his work.
Yeah.
And so intelligent. I think that even if it was his first film and he hadn't won the national award for Helen before, I think I would have still just done it.
Yeah.
Because I'm so thankful I got to work with him. I think he's such a special mind. He's like a genius, I think.
I'm so excited. And it's, I mean, it's not any other director who makes one film and wins a national award, right? For their very
Yeah.
first film. So, obviously this was a very challenging part for you because what, minus 18 degrees tak? Did you actually go to minus 18?
Yeah, some days we would go to minus 18, but minus 15 was the minimum.
And how many days did you do minus 15 mein shoot?
It was supposed to be 9 days. It ended up going on for 21 days.
Ridiculous.
Mathu sir fell sick twice. I fell sick once. I got some viral. I had a UTI.
Everything that could go wrong in that freezer is going wrong for you. But is this the most challenging part that you've done in the like 5 features that now you
In the
made?
5 features, yeah, but now I'm doing Mr. and Mrs. Mahi,
That's
which is like
worse?
It's like I'm in shock at everything. It's so tough.
Like the cricket part is tough, or like what is proving to be more difficult making that film?
Everything, honestly. I think that my director Sharan has a very, very, very purist approach to cinema.
No shortcuts, money.
No shortcuts
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah.
And just like even our DOP is an actual purist, and I think Raj and me as actors are also trying to be as pure as possible. And I think the material of this film means too much to us. And learning a whole new sport, especially one as intense as cricket, is not easy, honey. It's like,
I mean, I believe you. There's no doubt. But Raj has played before cricket, right?
yeah, in Kai Poche,
Yeah.
he's good at it, but it's tough.
So how far are you willing to push yourself for a role? Like, are you willing to like, I don't know, chain yourself to the side of an aeroplane as it flies away into the sky, or like go bald, shave your head?
I'd probably do it all.
Yeah.
I
Whatever
think
it
so.
takes.
Like I think I keep telling myself. I think it also depends on the film. Like I was talking about Mr. and Mrs. Mahi. Over the last year, I've dislocated both my shoulders.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Why are they doing this to you? Like, this is too much.
No,
Janvi.
but honestly, for that film, and although me and Shari are having a cold war right now, for him as a director and for what he's trying to say with this film. I think the dislocations are worth it because I think we're making something special. It's tough, but like if it was for a film that I didn't believe in as much in what it was trying to say, maybe I wouldn't like put my health at risk. But then again, I probably wouldn't do the film if I didn't believe in
You
it.
got
as
in
much.
a UTI in a fridge. Like how much worse are you going to make it for yourself? What are you trying to prove here? We hear you. You're here. You're a good actor. You're making good
Oh my
films.
god, that's like music to my ears. It
I'm
never
telling-
gets old.
I have stepped out of the house to do this interview with Janvi. I never do these. No, but this is great. I have one last question, and that is also about an upcoming film of yours, and that's Bawal. Okay, like I was reading about news pieces, PR pieces, and I love this line. Okay, you have to explain what this line means.
Okay.
An action sequence in Bawal required multiple things: guns, ammunitions, and 45 hedgehogs. It's everywhere.
Hedgehogs?
What is hedgehogs, and why did you need 45 of them? Is it like a?
Isn't a hedgehog a bird?
It's an animal with like
I think it was like
Spikes.
a typo. We definitely did not need hedgehogs.
PR team. This news article is everywhere. It says that they shot with 45
We
hedgehogs.
didn't even shoot with one bird. There were no birds in the film.
No, hedgehog is
Oh,
an
hedgehog
animal,
is like
Janvi.
a-
It's
oh,
not a
shit.
bird.
I don't know why I thought
It's
it was
an
the
animal.
bird that stays in the, it's like that squirrel-looking thing.
It's
no?
that like round thing that has all those little keels on its
The
back, and it
spiky
becomes like
thing.
that. Yeah.
Oh yeah, hedge. Oh yes, I saw an animated film about a hedgehog once.
Yes. Why did you need 45
There were no
hedgehogs?
hedgehogs.
Okay, so
I think they meant to say like a weapon.
is it a type of weapon?
Also, maybe.
Maybe.
Is it
Maybe
like
it's
a
the name of like a rifle or something.
Maybe.
Okay,
but
wait.
I don't even think we needed that many rifles.
I'm gonna send you this link.
You
and
must.
then
Can I report it?
Yeah, like 45 hedgehogs. I laughed for 10
Yeah,
minutes. I was like,
Suddenly, this is becoming some sort of mystical jungle film that it's really not.
but listen, this is all very exciting. You've had like 2 releases now in 3 months, and then there's like 2 more that are already, lined
Oh my god, I
up.
think I'm gonna throw up.
Because I'm assuming you haven't eaten anything. You're just running
haven't.
around.
I
Yeah. Can we get her something to eat? And thank you for your time.
Thank you
today.
for coming.
Fun,
I
right?
Do this, yeah, I enjoyed
Fun.
it.
Maze.
Yeah, and I'll be on your 1-minute reviews also.
All right. Thank you, everybody. And thank you, Janvi.
Thank you for coming.